Hello to you. Mark Hall here with your weekly fine wine investment market update. Today, Thursday, the 23rd of May, 2013. So, what's been happening this week? Well, the 2012 Entrepreneur campaign, well, that's still shambling along. What I would finally say about this is that there was an interesting article in Bloomberg this week discussing which wines are doing well out of the 2012 campaign and which ones aren't. And we're happy to say that it only really confirms what we at Aston Lovell have been saying to our clients all along. The title of the piece is Buy Mouton, Rothschild and Pomerol and Forget the Rest, which we think pretty well speaks for itself. The article itself can be found on our website, so just log on and click on the blog. Now, let's face it, the Entrepreneur campaign really is getting boring now, so we won't talk about that anymore. And believe it or not, there are other things happening in the market. So I think it would be best to declare that as far as we're concerned, the 2012 Entrepreneur campaign, well, at least the debate, well, it's now closed. So a quick run through of the week's news. First, it appears that the Chinese love of wine shows no sign of abating. Christie's are opening the world's first estate agency for wealthy Chinese people, and it is selling, well, not houses, but vineyards. It'll be called Vineyards by Christie's International Real Estate, and it will be the first global advisory for buyers of vineyards, opening in Hong Kong. Apparently, it's going to be staffed by fine wine experts and property specialists to offer, and I quote, a discreet consultative service for clients looking to acquire vineyards in the world's most sought after wine regions. The idea apparently comes from countless Chinese buyers inquiring at Christie's wine auctions about how they can get their hands on a vineyard. And now this is all very controversial, of course, and drives the French locals mad. But it does cement the fact that the Chinese market is showing no sign of losing interest in fine wine anytime soon. So what's Livex been up to this week? Well, much the same really. The top 50 first growths are floundering. Some days they're up, some days they're down. And this is likely to continue for a month or two, I think, as well, certainly until the Entrepreneur campaign dies down and becomes history. But don't despair, because as usual, there are lots of wines that are not making the headlines, but are making very good returns for our clients right now. If you would like to know which wines these are, well, just get in touch. Finally, I actually have an investment tip for you. Now, it is the Montrose 2010. This one seems to be a rising star, actually, with a near-perfect score and a note that suggests that Parker perfection is not that far away. Now, we've picked up 20 cases of the wine this morning at £1,390 a case, whereas if you were to buy from a merchant today, that would cost you an average of £1,650 a case. So our clients really are well ahead of the game at this stage. So, if you'd like to buy and sell wines with our unique trading platform, then just get in touch and open an account with us. Our contact details are on the screen now. So, that's it for this week. Have a great one, and I will see you next week.